In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export audio only on DaVinci Resolve. If you've finished editing a project and you only need the sound, maybe for a podcast, a voiceover, music, or just to share the audio separately, DaVinci Resolve makes this very quick and simple. You don't need to rebuild your timeline or create a separate project, you just need to change one setting in the export area. To begin, make sure your project is already open in DaVinci Resolve and that the timeline you want to export is selected. Once you're ready, go to the Deliver page. This is the page used for exporting your final file, and it's where you'll find different render settings and presets for video and audio output. After you open the Deliver page, look for the preset options. These presets are designed to make exporting easier by giving you ready-made settings for different types of files. Instead of exporting a full video, click on the Preset section and choose Audio Only. As soon as you select Audio Only, DaVinci Resolve will switch the export settings so the program focuses just on your sound, instead of creating a video file. This is useful because it saves time and gives you exactly what you need without any extra steps. And that's it. Once that preset is selected, you're ready to move forward with your export using the Audio Only settings. A helpful tip here is to quickly review your timeline before exporting, especially if you have multiple audio tracks, background music, or muted clips. That way you can be sure the final exported audio includes exactly what you want. It's also a good idea to check that you're on the correct timeline if your project contains more than one sequence. So again, the process is very simple. Go to the Deliver page, click the preset options, and choose Audio Only. That one change is what allows you to export just the audio from your project in DaVinci Resolve. If you're looking for a fast way to pull audio from an edited video, this is the easiest method to use. Once you know where the setting is, it only takes a few seconds. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to export audio only on DaVinci Resolve.